Now guns, I want to show you guys what guns are good and which ones are not even worth it. So, the way that it goes, what you guys want to pick, I wish I could show you all the guns right now, but I have to play a little bit more, grab a few more guns so I can show you which ones are which. But the order that it goes, see this one right here? So, there's the blue, which is good. That means it's rare. The most common one are the gray ones. So this one's a gray one that you guys can see in my list. So this one's gray. That means it doesn't have that much damage. Then we have green, which is an uncommon. So this one's green right now. Okay, I'm gonna pick this one up. So this one right here is blue, so that means it's rare. And then once I hit a purple one, that's an epic one. And then orange, which looks gold, that's gonna be legendary. So that's the very best that you guys can take. So once again, the most common one is gray. So that's usually what you don't want. And then green, which is better. Blue, much better. Purple, really good. And then orange or gold, which would be legendary. And that's the very best that you can take. Now those are hard to find. And once you get those, they're the best because they will hit the most damage. And that's why you guys want to hit those guns. Hopefully this helped you guys out in order to get started with Fortnite. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.